Hi folks, and what have I got for you today? Yes, and I can tell you exactly where we're going to. Now, you've been through the winter time and the underneath of your car is absolutely minging, isn't it? But today I've got a review for you which you will enjoy. And this is what the baby is. This is for going underneath your car. It's an undercarriage washer. Very simple and easy, and not cost a lot of money. Now, I have seen one or two of these before on eBay and Amazon, and I wondered what it was going to be like to use one. So let's have a look at what you get for your money. Now, this cost £49 currently on Amazon. Very simple and easy. You've got 4 little nozzles here. Now, I will say that they are, you can see they're all different lengths. Whether that's right or wrong, I haven't got a clue. And one connector there, that's a 1/4 inch connector. And they just connect in just like this. Very simple. Pull back, in and connect. Hey, how easy is that? Now, if you want to extend your gun as well, you've got extension pipes as well, really. They all go together. Now, this is designed to go underneath your car, like this. And then you turn it round and you can do your driveway. Now, I have tested this earlier. We will pop outside and I'll show you what I did. And we can discuss what that's like afterwards. The construction of this looks really good quality. Nice little wheels, bearings, fine. But apart from this, it does look a bit shoddy around these bits. But then I guess for 49 quid, can you complain? But these are interesting themselves. And I'm guessing this is stainless steel. Now, I don't know if it is or not, but it does look stainless steel. Now, I always find that these 1/4 inch connectors do work really, really well. So there we go. I mean, there's no doubt about that. And they just go straight into your gun. Now, I'm using this with a Karcher K7. Now, the minimum amount of pressure you want for this is 1500 PSI. Now, I don't know if the Karcher K2 is up to that PSI or not. I wouldn't know. And likewise, but I do know the K7 is right up there. So your range for this model, for this, is between 1500 and 4000 PSI. Otherwise, it won't work. Also, you can get a Karcher attachment for this, so you can use it straight off your Karcher. But like me, I got myself my own little gun, which connects. It just makes it so easy to interchange between these sort of things. Right, we'll get outside and have a look and see how well it does work. Fixing together is pretty easy. It's 1/4 inch quick connectors. The chassis with the wheels is 39 centimeters long. The poles themselves, the 2 of them, they're 41 centimeters long, and the bent one is 35 centimeters long. They've all got the female and male quick connectors on. So let's give it a bit of a test. So we're going to start off at the back end of my Mini. Just trying this out. The little nozzle tips are working really, really well. And it looks as though that is going to remove all the rubbish from under the car. So let's have a look underneath and see how it works underneath. That is working really well, isn't it, folks? Now, I've got the bent pipe under there. Now, I do think it's going to work better with the straighter edged pipe first. So let's swap them over. Is there any significant difference? Not a lot, apart from I think the nozzles are actually facing upwards a bit more. And I'm going underneath the Mini now. You can see that is getting the rubbish off, isn't it? Yeah, I'm liking this. In fact, I'm watching this back, is actually seeing it better than I actually did when I was actually doing the job. Because when you're actually watching it back, I haven't got all that sort of water spraying in my face. That's doing a nice job in it, folks. So let's try it out on the side of the car. Oh yes, this should be easier. It almost gets right under the Mini. So you know the length of this now, you can see it. It is actually going right underneath the car. And also you can get down the edge of your car as well. So you don't have to try and stretch underneath with the end of a hose or anything. You can just get right under it. And that just cleans everything off. That's a super bit of kit. Well, there you go, folks. Wasn't it nice and easy? Well, I think this is really good value for money. Time will tell. Now, I've looked under my Mini after cleaning it, and it did come off really, really well. Previously, I was using a Karcher surface cleaner for doing under the car and under the vans. I turned it upside down and used it on a roller, which does the same job as this. Whether the Karcher surface cleaner is better than this, time will tell. Because obviously the Karcher one goes round and round and round. And again, this goes backwards and forwards, or you can go across the car. Whichever the case may be, either way round, it's going to get all that muck and rubbish off the underneath of your car. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is showing what it's like using it on the concrete. It is getting off quite well, but not as good as the Karcher surface cleaner.